Hi, I'm James Hutchner with Ag Tire Talk. I'm here with Troy from Meyer Manufacturing. He's got a new silage cart that he wants to tell us about. The reason I find this interesting is because he's really widened the flotation tires out, went from a bias to radial setup. Troy, why don't you tell us a little bit more about this?
Well, James, our goal with this project was to, for one thing, simplify, get the product a little more inexpensive, reduce ground compaction for our customers hauling large volumes of silage. This is a large unit. This is a 30-foot box. It's got nearly 1,800 cubic foot of capacity. Traditionally, we've sold this unit with a 3-axle cart, front and rear steering, 650 or 740 22.5 bias ply tires, bar flotation tire, and it did a good job. The problem is it was out of reach of most people's price range. So our goal was to get back to a tandem trailer, yet still maintain the cubic inches of rubber on the ground and reduce compaction, maintain our yields for the customer. So we've turned to a 710/50 26.5 radial tire. We also offer this in an 840 26.5 radial tire. Feedback has been very positive as far as equivalent or better flotation compared to our triaxle trailer. We're able to carve a bunch of money out of the package, which is what our end user was looking for.
Well, fantastic. So let me make sure I got this right. So basically what you're saying is you went from bias ply construction, a little bit narrower.
Right.
3 axles, you went down to a tandem axle, widened it out a little bit with a radial footprint to get the same overall, for all intents and purposes, flat plate or contact patch with the rubber.
You bet. Yeah, the larger diameter really works in our favor. We did have to redesign the chassis to accommodate the larger tire. The overall box is taller now. Had to reduce the height of the rear tailgate in order to keep the package in an envelope that we could handle, but it turned out really nice.
Well, good deal. Another fantastic value from Meyer. Thank you.
You bet, James.